Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear fellows, we are here to shed light on the existing sit-in that takes place at Babarlo bypass against the illegal construction of canals at River Indus. Let me tell you that people of Sindh are united against this scheme that stops the natural flow of River Indus. People of Sindh were divided into different sections, but this movement has brought all people from different strata with different professions together, and now everyone belonging to every profession in Sindh is participating in this protest against the illegal construction of canals. The movement was initiated by the lawyers, but now teachers, students, workers, political activists and people from different ethnic and professional groups are joining this movement. And now let me tell you that People's Party has very strange stand on this. On one hand, they are condemning this activity. Initially, they denied that any canal is being constructed. शुरू में पीपल्स पार्टी वारनि चयो त को कैनाल ठहे नथो. अॼुकल्ह चवनि था त कंहिं बि कैनाल खे ठाहिण जी इजाज़त न ॾींदासीं. इहे पीपल्स पार्टी जा जेके ड्रामा आहिनि, इहे सिंधी माण्हू रिजेक्ट करे छॾिया आहिनि. And people in thousands are thronged at Babarlo bypass and all roads are blocked. And Bilawal Bhutto saw lakh ikhtilafan ke bawajood, I would appreciate one thing of Bilawal Bhutto that he made clear in his Hyderabad speech. Bilawal Bhutto chayo ta inan kenalan ji permission KG number 420 dini, and let me tell you that Bilawal could not take name of his father, but everyone in Sindh knows that KG number 420 is his father. His father was the person who had allowed the construction of these illegal canals, but the people of Sindh are united and they will thwart every effort that would stop the natural flow of River Indus. And let me tell you that if any scheme at River Indus is being executed, the people of Sindh will lay their lives, but they will never allow such heinous and such mean scheme. We all are united and we all proclaim, we all stand in unity with the people who are taking part in sit-in Babarlo, and we all say with proud that no more canals at River Indus. Thank you very much.